Welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this short video I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube videos. We all know how to upload YouTube videos, but sometimes we need to delete some videos from our YouTube channel. So watch this video till the very end. I'll show the exact process how you can delete YouTube videos. So first of all, you have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. If your YouTube app is up to date, then open your YouTube app. After opening your YouTube app, then tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner, and now tap on your channel. When you are here, you will see manage videos option. Tap on here, and now select your video that you wanna delete. So I'm gonna delete this video. So tap on this, the three dots next to the videos. So tap on here, and now tap on delete. Then again hit on delete, and as you can see that this video has been permanently deleted from my YouTube channel. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.